said that one of the reasons we were interested in doing and studying rates of reactions is it gives us insight into what's going on at the molecular level. Okay, so a reaction mechanism, we're really interested in what must be going on during a chemical reaction, because if you understand how the molecules are behaving, then that gives you power. It gives you power to manipulate the molecules so they do what you want them to do, right? So let's talk about reaction mechanisms then. In this lesson, you're going to be able to define what a reaction mechanism is, what elementary and complex reactions are, and what molecularity means. Given a mechanism, you need to be able to identify the reaction, what's called the reaction intermediate, and catalysts, and uh, you need to be able to relate the rate law to the reaction mechanism. So given some simple mechanisms, I would expect you to be able to predict what the rate law is. In other words, what we're trying to say is if you're going to propose a mechanism for a reaction, a mechanism is really something you just propose. You make an intelligent guess as to what it would be based on observations, including rates. Okay, so whatever mechanism you propose, it's not really something you can prove. Okay, but for it to be acceptable, it has to be consistent with the observed rate law. So your mechanism must for your mechanism to be acceptable, okay, at least it should make a prediction that is consistent with what is observed as the rate law for the reaction.